An emergency action notification has been issued per the request of the United States federal government. A craft of unknown origin has been sighted above the city of Jacksonville, Florida. At 8:27 p.m. a beam of light emerged from the craft, incinerating 20 people below it. The Jacksonville Police Department attempted to enter the affected area to investigate and search for survivors, but all 7 units that entered died minutes later of severe radiation poisoning. The craft seems to have disappeared at the moment, but it was last seen heading north. If you see a cigar-shaped craft in the sky, do not look directly at it. Barricade yourself, your loved ones, and your pets in the basement and call 911 using a cellular phone. Do not use your telephone to call 911 or any relatives. Leave the telephone lines open for those who do not own cellular phones. This is an extremely dangerous situation, threatening the entire continent of North America. If any of these crafts release a burst of energy, do not go near the site of the burst or you will face certain death due to radiation. This is YPTV 9 in Chicago, Illinois. Stations will now resume regular programming.